Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only Vijay and today I am going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 65. Today we will talk about how to extract the day from a date of birth. For example, suppose we have this date of birth and after that in this date of birth, here we have 8, see here, we have the date of birth as 9th August 1998. So here we wanted to know which day was the 9th of August. For this, see, I applied this formula here and it showed that it was a Sunday. If we want to confirm whether it was really a Sunday, then what we will do is click on date and time below, and after that you have to click here. You will see the years appear. Now here, we will click towards the bottom, and as we keep clicking, you can see that 1998 has appeared. So in 1998, we click on August, and as soon as we click on August, the calendar for August opens up. Now let's look at the 9th to see what day it falls on. As soon as I clicked on 9, you can see that it was a Sunday, and below as well, you can see Sunday displayed here. Similarly, if we change the date here, suppose I change the date of birth. I enter 07 here, then I type 02, and after that, I am typing 1999. As soon as I pressed enter, you can see that Friday is being shown here. So you can see that the day is being displayed here automatically. So today we are going to study in detail how we can do this using a formula. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. We'll write a small formula here. So you click here, and after clicking, you will write equals to, and then you have to write text. As soon as we write text, you can see that a list of formulas opens up below, and at the very top, text is written and highlighted. Here you need to use the tab key, so your formula will be added here. After that, you need to click inside the cell where you have written the date of birth, that is this cell. Then you have to put a comma here. Next, while holding shift, you need to enter an inverted comma and type dd here 4 times. Close the inverted comma and close the bracket. Whether you type it in lowercase or with caps lock on, your answer will still be correct. As soon as we press enter, you can see here that Friday has appeared. Now after that, if we change the date of birth here, suppose I change it here to 02 and 25 1984, and as soon as I press enter, you can see here that Saturday is now showing up. If you want to be sure, click here again. After clicking, you need to click on years here, and then by clicking here, select 1984. So as soon as we go to 1984, and then if we want to see which day it was in February, we click on February here. After clicking on February, we click on the 25th here. So you can see here that Saturday is showing up, and at the top as well, you can see Saturday. So in this way, by adding the formula, you can extract the day from your date of birth. And if you want to make some changes to the formula here, just double click. If you don't want to write the complete Saturday here, then instead of typing 4, if you type DD 3 times, only SAT will appear here. And besides that, if you want to separate the day here, you just need to type D, and only the date will be separated here, like 25. After that, if you type Y here, only the years will be separated. If you type, let's say, M here, then only M will appear here, meaning only the month will be shown separately. So in this way, we can extract the day from the date of birth here, and after that, we can also extract the date, the month, and the years separately as well. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can extract the day from the date of birth. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.